Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Ardell individuals. So it's another type of way to do lash extensions at home by yourself. I've used these a couple of times. My boyfriend has his friend over, so I thought what better way to just have a bit of a pamper night. I'm sorry if my skin's a bit red, I just got out of the shower, so I have bare face, bare everything. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this. I know a lot of people do it differently, but I'm going to see if it works for me while I do it on camera, because what if it doesn't work for me? And it just doesn't work because I'm filming, and they don't come off unless you use that little green stuff, which is the remover. In this packet you got the eyelashes, you've got short black ones, medium black, another line of medium, oh my god you can't see that, I'm so sorry, and the long ones. This green one here is the lash remover, so whenever you want to take your lashes off you just take this on a bit of cotton bud, rub it around your eyelashes, and then they should just easily come off, but sometimes that's not always the case. And then you've got your lash glue here, and it also comes with a little pair of tweezers. I'm going to start, yeah, let's get into the video because I'm pretty goddamn excited. I'm crossing my fingers that these actually work. So I lost my tweezers, just opened the packet and they went down the side of the bed, but I have no time to dig in and get those goddamn tweezers out. We have two mattresses and this will be right down the bottom, and I'm not lifting up two goddamn mattresses just to get a pair of tweezers, and I have a pair of tweezers just up on the bench, so I'm going to grab them and use them. My life, oh my god. First thing I like to do is I like to grab an eyelash curler and actually curl a few of my lashes. I'm going to take one of the small ones at the top and just start. So yes, I'm just going to place that on my eye, and that should just sit down like that. So there's 14 rows, 14 lashes on each row, so half of 14 is 7. So on each eye I try and even it out, so I've got 7 short ones on this side and then 7 short ones on this. So I just keep going with the short ones. Sometimes these are really tricky to put on, as you can tell. Oh, and then sometimes they just disappear and fall off your bloody tweezers. Okay. So I'm going to keep going, putting that just on top of the natural lash line. As you can see, this one does not want to behave. Well, I think she's stuck. She's not coming off anytime soon. Oh, see, there comes out another lash. That's just gorgeous. That's just great. That's just what we wanted. See, they're just so tricky. I'm so close to giving up because I knew that this would happen. Oh my god, seriously. That's looking... There we go, thank you. It only took half an hour. My natural lashes are getting in the bloody way. They're not looking that bad, but they're not looking that great either. So I'm just going to let these dry for a bit before I keep going, because I think that's the problem. If I put one down and then it sticks to another, that would just rip that one off. So I think I might just let them dry for a little bit. They're not looking that bad. I think I just would have preferred them to look a bit more flared, but whatever. I had it on the side while I was letting them dry, but I'm trying to get another one in here, but I just can't. No. just annoying me. I'm just going to continue on with the medium ones because I want to try and get like a flick at the end. Gorgeous. Oh my god, I thought that was stuck to my real lash. These tweezers are shit, like I'm just about to throw them away. I should, you know what, I might just use a short one. I think I got it, guys. Oh my god, they look horrible on camera, but they actually don't look that bad. So I'm going to use more medium ones in around here. So guys, this is what I managed to come out with. I think I might leave it at that because they're starting to get a little bit bunched up and they don't look that realistic. It saves you from not wearing any lashes, which is good. I also just curled them again with lash curler and I think that made it a bit better. Like it made them less stuck together. In my opinion, it looks much better than it did before. Well, that is the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it would mean a lot to me. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!